Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, as all of you are well aware about writing skill, or in that questions of short composition and long compositions will be given in your exam. From long compositions, letter writing, speech writing, article writing, that report writing, many things are important. But in short composition, dear students, notice writing is very important. You have read in your previous classes also. So today I am going to discuss and I am going to teach you one of the important topics of short composition, and the topic is notice writing. You are knowing very well about notice writing. Dear students, this notice writing question will be earlier 5 marks, but now it is of 3 marks. In that, dear students, 1 mark will be for format, or 1 mark will be for content, and 1 mark will be for expression. Format, the actual format what is given for the notice, if you are following that format, so you have to follow that and you will get 1 mark. Or if the content which you have written in that notice, if it is absolutely correct, then 1 mark you will find for that. On next is expression, that grammatical accuracy and fluency. If all 3 things you have written and you are writing the notice according to these 3 important components, so automatically you will get full marks in notice. Though it is a short composition, but sometimes students used to make slight mistakes. So before starting the topic, dear students, I want to tell you about notice. The question is, what is a notice? Understood? So I want to tell you, a notice is a written or printed news announcement or information. What is notice? A notice is a written or printed news announcement or information. A notice may contain news, information about something that has happened or is likely to happen. Means the notice which is displayed on the notice board, that notice definitely tells us about either something that has happened or is likely to happen. Understood? A notice can be about a meeting. Many types of notices you have seen. A notice can be about meeting, about an event, about an excursion, about any historical trip, about a picnic, or about lost and found. If something you have lost, then you have decided to write a notice. Understood? Or you are planning to go on historical trip, your school has made a plan, so you want to go with your teacher to historical trip notice. Or any program is going to organize in your school, so for that notice is written. Or your family or your friends or your school has planned one day picnic, so for that you may write the notice to inform your friends, to inform your students. Or dear students, about any meeting, about any program, about any event, if your school is going to organize, so you may write the notice, and notice is only the way to inform the students. So this notice writing is very, very important. Or there are many categories of the notice. Some notices is displayed in school, college notice board. Some in the newspaper and magazine, second category. Or some notices they are displayed on public notice boards. So three categories, you dear students. One is the notices which are displayed on school notice board, that is related to you. Some notices are displayed in newspaper and magazines, and some are displayed on public notice board. But mainly you have to focus on school and college notice. Understood? You have to write only about that. Some important thing I want to tell you, dear students, कि a notice must contain complete information. I want to tell you कि when you are going to write the notice, a notice must contain complete information. Or the second is the order of presentation should be clear. Understood? Or the purpose of notice should be written clearly. What is the purpose? For what the particular dignitary of the particular person or authority is writing the notice. Here, content should include all necessary information, whatever about for the meeting of meeting, the time, venue, date, agenda, everything should be written clearly. And give the designations of writer just below the signature. Who is actually writing? Principal is writing, secretary is writing, understood, vice principal is writing, librarian is writing. So designation should be written clearly just below the signature. Or the date of writing the notice is generally put at the top here. Or you have to observe the word limit also. It should not be more than 50 words. One. So certain points are there, dear students, you have to follow. Understood? So once again, a notice is written or printed news announcement or information. A notice may contain news information about something that has happened or is likely to happen. Understood? Three categories. Notice, I have told you that some one, notices which are displayed in college and schools. Second, notices which are displayed in magazines and newspaper. Third, notices which are displayed on public notice board. but mainly you have to focus on category number 1. Dear students, while with one sample example, I want to tell you that how you will write the notice. Dear students, whenever you are going to write the notice, first you have to write the name of institution. Understood? The institution which is issuing that notice, its name should be written in capital letter. Understood? कि suppose name of the school is Model School Patna. Here is Model School Patna. So name should be written in capital letter. After that, dear students, notice word will be written in capital letter. This notice word, or just below, the date should be written at the left. 11th August 2021. Or after that, then heading for what purpose? So that is the magic show. So heading should be written clearly. So 3 things you have to keep in your mind. 1, name of the institution which is issuing that notice. Its name will be in capital letter. Second, then notice word, then date, and then heading. Understood? That for what purpose? Whether it is magic show, whether it is annual day program, whether it is suppose science exhibition, whatever, that should be written. 3 things should be written clearly. Understood? Or after that, then content. Or after content, then dear student, then signature at the last. Here. Or then designation of the authority or designation of the person who is writing this notice. Understood? So 1, 2, 3, 4 content, or 5 signature, and then designation. These 4 things you have to keep in your mind. Understood? Suppose you are a secretary of student council of Model School Patna. Through one example I want to explain. Suppose you are a secretary of Student Council of Model School Patna, or in your school famous musician O.P. Sharma, world famous musician, is going to present a magic show to help and to aid the flood victims of Andhra Pradesh or suppose Uttar Pradesh, of any state. For that, one program is going to be organized. So how will you write that notice? How will you inform the students? Understood? So first of all, dear students, this heading, name of the institution which is issuing the notice, its name should be written in capital letter, Model School Patna. Or after that, notice, or then date 11th August 2021, or then magic show heading. Or after that, after writing this name of the institution, notice, date and heading, then you have to start. All the students are informed that Mr. O.P. Sharma, the world famous magician, will present an amazing magic show. Will present an amazing magic show in our school auditorium. The venue should be written very clearly. Where the program will be conducted, where the program will be organized. So it will be organized on 14th August in school auditorium of Model School Patna. For what reason? to aid the flood victims of Andhra Pradesh. So all the students are informed that Mr. O.P. Sharma, the world famous magician, will present an amazing magic show in our school auditorium on 14th August. Dear students, 2021 to aid to help the flood victims of Andhra Pradesh. Students and their parents are cordially invited. One, our entry fee is 50 rupees per head. Understood? Or they may get the tickets from school office. Or name of the, suppose you are Mithun, you are Mritunjay, so name will be written Mithun or Mritunjay, and who designation Secretary of Student Council. After writing this notice in almost 50 words, dear students, you have to put this notice in box. Until and unless you have not put the notice in box, it will be incomplete and marks will be deducted for that. Dear students, so your notice must be, you have to put in box. Whatever you have written, understood, or you have to keep certain points, certain important points in your mind while writing the notice. Understood? One example I have given. Through this I have tried to explain. Some more examples I will send you. Understood? Or you will write this notice, but four things you have to keep in your mind. That name of the institution should be at the top, it should be in capital letter. Second, notice word should be also in capital. At left side there will be date, or date will be not like 11.8 dot like that, but like that 11th August 2021, and then heading should be there, whether it is magic show, whether it is a science exhibition, whether it is annual day program, whatever. Understood? Or in that content, dear students, everything should be written systematically and everything should be clear. Understood? Whatever you are writing, that should be clear. Even you have to tell the venue also, time also, date also, when that program is going to be organized. Understood? Or you have to write also who is the chief guest. Here suppose O.P. Sharma is presenting that program. Or if annual day program, then any chief guest will be there. Or after that, dear students, detail of everything should be written. Or at last, signature of that dignitary, the person who is writing that notice, his name should be written with designation. Whether principal, whether secretary of student council, whether secretary of literary club. Understood? So it should be written very clearly, or word limit should not be more than 50 words. To word limit you have to follow. Notice must be, you have to put in box. Understood? I hope you have understood. So thank you, students. In next video I will teach you another topic. Thank you.